Hi everyone, it's Paolo here from Textile Express, and I'm just jumping on here to show you some new arrivals in our dressmaking department, which I think are really cool. So I'll start with some voils, broderie anglaise and embroidered voils. They're all $9.50 a meter and they're 100% cotton, and they're really beautiful and special. This one's got daisies embroidered on it. We've got one with sunflowers on, that's a broderie anglaise, so you can see all the cutouts with the embroidery, and it's got really funky sunflowers on it. And there's also one with a more classic one with a diamond shape in them, broderie anglaise as well. So they're all $9.50 a meter, 100% cotton. They're really easy to work with, and I've pulled out a couple of patterns that I think would made up really nicely in it. First one is the Friday Pattern Company, the Wilder gown. You can see in the picture here, they've done it in a voil, a cotton voil. So I think it would be a really good make, and you can make it in a few different versions. There's a full length, you can shorten it, and you can even make a top out of it. I think you'd have to either line it or you would have to wear a top underneath because they are quite sheer. But as I said, really nice to work with, really crisp and flowy, so that would make up really nicely as a Wilder gown. And also, on a similar note, I've pulled out the Mabel from the Tilly and the Buttons. So it's a ruffled top or a dress. It's got sort of puffy sleeves with some gathers and a tie in the front. So really cool again, embroidery anglaise, all the voils. It would make sort of a boho type festival kind of look. I think that would be a really good piece to have in your wardrobe, whether it is to go with underneath a jacket or just really on a hot sunny day, just going out having a picnic sort of dress. But yeah, all those three, you can find them on our website, and the voils and broderie anglaise. Or you can search with the code C767, C768, and C766. So these are those three that I wanted to show you. Now moving on, we've got some really cool arrivals in a linen section. So this is a linen and viscose mix. So it's got the feel of linen, but also because it's the viscose, it's got viscose in it. It's got a really nice drape to it. It feels really soft, but at the same time, it's got really nice weight to it. So it would really make up some really cool things, like the Elodie from the Closet Call. I thought like a wraparound dress would be really cool. There's a few designs in it. We've got this William Morris dark pattern in it. Really nice and flowy, but there's also some bright colors like this. What is it called? A abstract floral linen. Really vibrant, but the same sort of texture and drape to it. And there's also this floral sketch linen. Really beautiful designs, and in this one I've actually made up. It's called the Tate Romper. It's a downloadable PDF, so I'll put a link below to it so we can find it quicker. And it's a really nice and easy make, but quite stunning, and it's a really cool piece to have in your wardrobe. A lot of gathering, so you do need quite a bit of fabric, but it's basically you just make the borders, then the trouser, and you put them together. There's a zip on the side here, but as I said, a really easy make, but really fun. But some other ideas for patterns. I thought Tilly and the Buttons Nell would look really cool in it. So again, it comes as a shirt, or you can make a dress, but it's got sort of that folky bohemian feel to it, and that linen texture. I feel it would go really nicely with that sort of garment. And again, it's pretty easy to work with. It doesn't slip, so it's a good project for beginners or just confident beginners. Now, the last thing that I wanted to show you are some cotton poplins. We've had a few of them in, but I'll just show you 3 designs that are really cute. So again, they're 100% cotton, and we've got some paisley designs. This blush one, really delicate, and if you've never worked with cotton poplin, it's one of the nicest fabrics to start your sewing journey with. It doesn't slip, it's very sturdy, easy to cut out, easy to work with. So if you're just starting sewing, that is the fabric that you should start with. Really great for dressmaking, really great for crafting. All the quilt makers, if you're making toys, napkins, whatever you like to start with, cotton poplin would be your go-to. So this one is called Pastel Paisley C765, and it's £7.50 a meter, 100% cotton. And there's another design here, paisley again, but a bit more bold. Red paisley with sort of red background with sort of beigey paisley design. I think they're quite in at the moment in the dressmaking section, so they've been flying off the shelf. And there's this darker version as well. So if you're about to go on a sewing journey and you're not very confident, go to our website and search cotton poplins in, and these are the fabrics that are the nicest to work with. So I hope you like those choices, and we do have things coming in all the time, all new things, so I'll try to keep on top of it. And if you'd like to head to our reels, you can find a reel that I've made a Tate romper in, and there's a lot more tutorials on our YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe and check out other tutorials. If you haven't got an idea what to make, if you're looking for some inspiration, make sure you check it out, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks very much.